Hey guys, today we're going to be working on this door right here. So what we're doing is we're converting this old door into a, guess what? A headboard, of course. It's going to be a headboard for a king-size bed, and I'm going to take you through and kind of show you what we're doing. It's kind of an economical way to get a headboard instead of buying a brand new one or, a resale one, whatever it may be. If you've got an old door laying around, you can find them always at the thrift stores or the rehab stores. And I'm going to take you through and show you what we're doing with it to make it a beautiful headboard for our new bedroom. Okay guys, so today we are continuing to work on this door to headboard conversion. So we took this old door from the property we're working on and we're going to convert it into a headboard for a king-size mattress. So we went ahead and did some patchwork here on the corners and patched in all the spots along the edge here where the hinges were, so that's nice and flush. And then as you can see, this part over here will be where the doorknob will be actually behind the mattress once we put it together. We went ahead and we filled all this stuff here, all these little holes, and kind of went over, rounded out this edge. There were some nicks and went through and filled all this. Just gonna lightly round these corners a little bit here, trying to be careful not to take too much of that off there. Now that we have it sanded down, we're just going to go over and wiping this table down, getting all the extra dust, particles off, getting it ready to fry. Okay, so we had this painted a light cream linen color, and we changed our mind once we got it into the room. So we are going to paint it this lovely color.